Good morning, children. Let's start 15.2 exercise today. Question number 1. Measure the length of the line segment given below. You have to measure this line segment. You know how to measure? By using your ruler or scale. You have to keep your scale like this. 0 is here. At this point, 0 you will put your scale at 0. Okay? And here you have to measure. It is coming up to here, nearly 9.2. Between 9 and 10 there is 10 lines are there. You can see it is 9.5, 9.1, 9.2, 9.3, 9.4. Here it my scale it is coming up to 9.2. So you will write it 9.2 centimeter. Okay. Using a divider, compare the line segment given below. Compare means you have to first find out the length of this two line and then compare which is greater and which is less. So you just measure this. AB is coming nearly 6 centimeter. Okay. Yes, 6. And CD is nearly 7 or 7.1. Means AB is 6 and CD is 7. So which is greater? AB is less than CD. So CD is greater than AB. Okay. Question number 3. Verify the following by measuring the required line segment. You have to measure this line segment and then verify it. Verify means left hand side should be equal to the right hand side. LHS means left hand side. RHS means right hand side. This side will be equal to this side, then it will be verified. So first of all we will find out the length of this line. So first you just measure PR, this full length. You can see PR is coming nearly 4.6. Yes, 4.6. And then you measure PQ. P to Q is 2 centimeter. Now you measure QR. Q to R is 2.6. Measure properly. Okay. With one hand it is difficult for me, but you measure properly. 2.6 centimeter here to here, 2 centimeter, and full is PR 4 centimeter. How you will verify it? Understand it? You will write it like this. PQ plus QR is equal to PR. So PQ length is 2 centimeter. QR length is 2.6. Now left hand side. It is called LHS in short. So LHS you will write first in this side. PQ plus QR. Then PQ length is 2 centimeter. QR is 2.6. Then add it 4.6. And this is right hand side RHS, that is PR 4.6 centimeter. This is equal to this. So LHS is equal to RHS. It is verified. Okay. Similarly this one PR minus PQ is equal to QR. So again you will take the left hand side. PR is 4.6. PR means what? This to this full. Full is 4.6. No. So PR in place of PR you will write 4.6. PQ is 2 centimeter. 4.6 minus 2 we will get 2.6 centimeter. And RHS is QR. So QR is 2.6, you know. QR is 2.6. So here also left hand side is equal to right hand side. So it is also verified. Okay. Now question number 4. Solve this. Students, these are degree. You have to add this 2 degree. 25 degree 18 minute and 50 second. 30 degree 50 minute and 45 second. What is this minute and second? So in the clock also there in 1 hour there are 60 minute and in 1 minute there is 60 second. So similarly in degree also 1 degree is equal to 60 minute and 1 minute is equal to 60 second. Okay, remember this. So when you will add it, you just remember few steps. It is very important. Suppose you are adding this to 25 degree 18 minute 50 second to 30 degree 50 minute 45 second. You will write this 2 first and then add it. Simply you add 5 plus 0 5, 4 plus 5 9. Now 8 plus 0 8, 5 plus 1 6. 5, 3 to 5. Okay. After that, you know this is 95 second. So you will just simply, you will not give carry to this. We will give carry like this. You know that in 60 second there is 1 minute. So 60 second, this second part will give carry to this, but in minute. Okay, so you will subtract 60 second from here. 60 second is equal to 1 minute. So you are subtracting 60 second and this will go as a minute here. You will add 1 minute here. Okay, 60 you will subtract, we will get 30 second. So plus 1 minute here, that is equal to 69 minute, and degrees as it is 55 degree. Now here is 35 second. Now it is less than 60, so no need to give more carry over to this. Whenever it is more than 60, then only we will subtract 60 and give carry over. Okay. Now here is more than 60. So again here we will subtract 60, because in 1 degree there is 60 minute. So you will subtract 60 and 1 degree will go carry over to this. Okay. Now 6 minus 6, 0. 9 minute will left here, and plus 1 means 56 degree. The answer is 56 degree, 9 minute and 35 second. Whenever second part will be more than 60, then you will subtract 60 and add 1 to this minute. Okay. And whenever the minute is more than 60, then you will subtract 60 from here and give 1 degree carry to degree part. Got it? Similarly, B number. Understand again, you can understand it better. 5 plus 3, 8. 5 plus 3, 8. 2. 5 plus 2, 7. You will add this, we will get 160 degree. Now you can see 88 second. 88 second means it is more than 60. So you can subtract 60 from here, and 1 minute will go carry to this minute part. Okay. Now we have subtracted, it is 28 second. 1 you will add here, we will get 73 minute. Okay. Now again 28 second, it is less than 60. Now no need to give carry to minute part, so you will write it as it is. But here you can see 73 minutes, so it is more than 60. You will subtract 60 from here, and 1 degree will go carry to this. Okay, it is 13. After subtracting, you will get here 13 minute and 161 degree. Got it? Now subtraction. You are going to subtract it. Understand, 200 degree, 22 minute and 0 second. There is no second part, students, here. Okay. So there is no second part. So we will write in the place of second part 0 second. Okay. Because in this part there is given second part. So you are going to subtract it now. 0 minus 20. From 0 we cannot subtract, so it will take borrow from this. But how it will take borrow? It will give 1 minute to this, and 1 minute is equal to how many seconds? 60 seconds. So actually here it will come in the form of second. 60 plus 0 equal to 60. 60 minus 20, 40 seconds. But here it has given 1 borrow to this. Here it will be 21 minute. 1 will be less here. 21 minute minus 15 will be equal to what? You can see here 6 minute. Okay. Now here this part we have not taken any borrow from this. So 200 degree minus 180 degree will be equal to what? 20 degree. So answer is 20 degree, 6 minute and 40 second. Similarly, this one, 45 second minus 55 second, it is less, so it will take borrow from this. It will take borrow means 60 second. It is giving actually 1 minute. But in 1 minute, how many seconds? 60 seconds. So it will be here 60 seconds. So now add it. 60 second plus 45 second will be equal to what? 105 second. Now you will subtract 55 second from 105 second. What will be here? Subtract it. After subtracting, we will get 50 second here. Okay. Now here it has given 1 borrow to this. Now it will be 34 minute. 1 less. 34 minute. 34 minute minus 0 is equal to 34 minute only. And here you can subtract it easily. 5 minus 5, 0. 6 minus 0, 6. 1 minus 1, 0. 60 degree. 60 degree, 34 minute and 50 second. Got it, students? This is the way you have to subtract. Now question number 5. What is the magnitude of an angle which is 20 degree 30 minute less 30 second? Minute part is not given here. So in the place of minute part you will write 0. Less than the sum of angles this and this. First of all we will add these two, and after adding you will subtract this from that. Like this. Add this two. After addition same way we are adding it. Okay, more than 60, so you will subtract 60 from here. One will be added to this minute part. Then again subtract 60, we will get after addition this one. Okay, and after that we will subtract this one 20 degree and 30 second from this. So 20 degree and 30 second. Minute part is not given there, so in the place of minute part you will write 0 0 and simply subtract it. It will give one borrow to this. So it will be 13 plus 60 will be equal to what? 73. 73 minus 30 will be equal to 43. And here it will be equal to 20 because one given borrow to this 20 minute. And this minus this will be equal to this. This is the answer. Now question number 6 we will discuss in the next video. Okay, because video is getting longer. So in the next video we will discuss 6 and 7.